Good morning. It is his word, the investigation methodology. Teacher Angarita, my name is Rubén Blanco. September. Do you remember what the scientific method is? Okay, a scientific method is a process that aims to establish relationships between facts to enhance the law that underpin the functionality of the world. Human research. Research in humanities and social sciences is based on research, concern or growth of research to develop into some aspect that can advance human understanding or improve society. My topic is the public account social responsibility in the Paris Agreement, where we shall their evaluation. Number one, previous carried out authors. Number two, limiters. Number three, advances. Hypothesis. The formulation of a scientific problem is to be answered with a hypothesis, that is, with a plausible conjecture or presumption. To be true, this statement is expressed in a certain way. In order to establish the validity of this contrast with the facts or phenomena of really making use of the scientific method. Characteristics. The hypothesis should refer to a real sequence. The relationship between variables prospects this scenario should be clear and possible. In other possible variables, independent the action is a public of fact giver. Manipulate the balance depend variable. Depend social responsibility. Change suffered with the independent variable. My hypothesis proposes the correct performance of a public account act as giver of public fact. It is possible lacking in the uses of official responsibility. Theoretical framework. Uses of databases and electronic recursos, for example, Google Académico, Bases Virtuales Universidad Militar, Nueva Granada, Work Club Proceedings, Professional Account Social, Ethical, Responsibility, and Summary. It is significant importance of the professional contribution of the public account and its social responsibility against the post-conflict, seen in the way that the professional magnet to incorporate to concept the base on social work role and more reflective analysis in his work giving in the importance that require it. Map and subthemes. Theme 1. The social responsibility of the public account. Subtheme definition. Implementation of social responsibility in Colombia. Relationship between the public account and social responsibility. The relationship of the code of the ethics of the account and social responsibility and the means of giving public fact in Colombia. Term 2. Peace agreement in Colombia. Subterm definition. My mechanism for implementing the peace agreement. Responsibility of territorial entities in the implementation of the peace agreement. International participation in the implementation of the peace agreement. Term 3. Course of the peace. Administration control entity for post-conflict recourse. Measure to excuse peace recourse. Author consults. Theoretical framework. Some fragment of the theoretical framework. The social responsibility of the public account is an element of positive participation in the improvement of Colombian society, requires the formation of very high criteria of judgment which allow it to develop a place intellectual capacity toward the attainment of personal benefits as well as the common benefit of the society to which it belongs. The public account in the sight of his professional in civil service derived from the service that he is provided to the society effort hand with he must direct all the effort in order to guarantee a social benefit and achievement that flow from the proper action management of the public records that have been deposited in the hands to make. Bibliography. Thank you.